Hello students, welcome back to all in the online session. Dear students, we hope that all of you are doing well at home. In hope of this, let's begin our going on chapter Ivan's Tries and O-level. It means how did Ivan's try to escape from prison? Why did he express his desire to appear in O-level examination, ordinary level examination? In this chapter, we all have been discussed more pages, more paragraphs, and controlled as well as analyze the nature of the story. In order to complete this story, let's begin today's from page number 83. NCERT book, page number 83. 83. Okay, students, let's begin. Take out your book, put your finger at the appropriate line. You see, although YE has been written here, but we have to speak this word as you. You see what they have done, Governor. You see, his voice trailed off again as the Governor, dedicating the layers of long neglected learning, willed himself to translate the German text before him. It means McLaren spoke in a very low tone. Why he spoke in a very low tone? Because of injury. Because he has been hurt by someone and there was bleeding from his head as well as skull. So that he spoke in a very low tone, in hesitation way, that you see what they have done. Did you notice what did they do here? Governor, it means governor को मैकलेरन ने बोला. You see, his voice trailed off again. His voice stopped once again. Trailed off, it means stopped. Okay. T-R-A-I-L-E-D. Trailed off. Okay, students. It means stop or controlled. We can say controlled or interrupted. उसकी आवाज क्या हो गई? बंद हो गई. As the governor dreading, we all can say caring, memorizing, recalling. Okay, D-R-E-D-G-I-N-G. D-R-E-D-G-I-N-G. Okay, it means recall. Recall करना, याद करना, memorize करना, like this. The layers of long neglected learning. Governor started to recall all these things. What did he learn in his school time? वो अपने स्कूल टाइम में गवर्नर ने क्या सीखा था, क्या पढ़ा था, ट्रांसलेशन क्या सीखा था, इस चीज को याद करने की कोशिश किया. Willed himself to translate, made an effort to translate as well as transform and change the German text before him. He started to make an effort to translate the German text in his own language. उस जर्मन टेक्स्ट को ट्रांसलेट करके पढ़ने समझने की कोशिश करना शुरू कर दिया. कौन शुरू कर दिया? गवर्नर. That what has been mentioned, what is the sense of meaning of all these texts of German mentioned in the question paper. First two lines have been mentioned in the German text, German language, and what translation has been made by governor there You must follow the plan already something. It was a translation that you must follow the plan already something. It has been instructed in that German text that there was plan which must be followed. First point, the vital point in time is 3 minutes before the end of the examination. It means it was a point to follow, to persuade that before beginning the examination there was full of curiosity. It was 3 minutes. एग्जामिनेशन शुरू होने के पहले के 3 मिनट्स में बहुत क्या था, वाइटल पॉइंट था, इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट था, सिग्निफिकेंट पॉइंट था, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट था. बट समथिंग 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 समथिंग, इट मीन देयर वाज समथिंग मोर, सो एंड सो हैज बीन मेंशन्ड. इस तरह की बहुत सारी बातें उस जर्मन टेक्स्ट की लैंग्वेज में क्या है, जर्मन लैंग्वेज में नोट की गई थी. Don't, it means further it has been also written there, don't hit him too hard. So remember, he is a minister, and don't overdo this course ascent well. It means there is no need to hit him strongly, powerfully, vaguely, and don't dispute a lot. While you are going to hit, do not make dispute there. वहाँ झगड़ा फसाद नहीं करना, बस हिट करना और वहाँ से निकल जाना है. Such type of points, information have been mentioned in the question paper or on the sheet in German language, and this is the translation of that text. और यही ट्रांसलेशन है उस जर्मन टेक्स्ट का, एंड ट्रांसलेटेड बाय गवर्नर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिकॉलिंग, मेमोराइजिंग एज वेल एज केयरिंग. ध्यान करके, याद करके वो ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश किया. किसने? गवर्नर. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ अ फास्ट अप्रोचिंग सायरन wailed to its crescendo. The great doors of the prison yard were pushed back, and a white police car squealed to a jerky halt beside them. It means McLaren and governor were standing there. The sound of siren wailed, and its crescendo means louder sound, become a light fade, धीरे धीरे कम हुआ, and a white police car squealed to a jerky halt. In a jolt way, in a sudden way, right beside them, in the side of them. Detective Superintendent Carter showed himself out of the passenger seat and saluted the governor. From the car, a detective superintendent officer came out and greeted to the governor, saluted to the governor. What the hell is happening, sir? And turning to the McLaren, Christ, who has hit him? It means how this happened here. Oh Christ, oh God, who has hurt him? हे भगवान, उसने मैक्लेरिन को किसने हिट किया, मैक्लेरिन को किसने मारा? इस तरीके की बातें बोली गई किसके द्वारा? उस अराइवल ऑफिसर के द्वारा. But McLaren cut across whatever explanation the governor might have given. It means governor was about to reply there, to respond there, but McLaren interrupted him, stopped him. Elsfield Way, officer, I know where he was. By stopping to governor, he said, there is need to follow Elsfield Way. and I know where Evans has gone. He was breathing heavily. It means, देखिए, we have to realize here, McLaren stopped to reply governor and he responded further that we have to follow Elsfield way, and on the way of Elsfield he has gone. Second thing, he was breathing heavily, he was panting a lot there, he was taking a lot of breath there and leaned for support against the side of the car. In order to take support, in order to take help, he bowed down on the side of a standing car, where the imprint of his hand was left in transit crimson. It means on the car there was also sign trace mark of his blood stained hand. In bewilderment, Carter looked to the governor for guidance. What? In the embezzlement, in the sense of wonderful, shocking, Carter was towards the governor in order to receive, in order to take some guidance, some support, some help. What? It is what we have to do. Then, such and such, take him with you. If you think he will be alright, he is the only one who seems to know what is happening. It means take him properly, and in case of being well, we have to be very careful about him. Second thing, he is the only one who seems to know what is happening. It means he is the only one person who knows how and when this happened here. Then Carter, in order to follow the order, okay, Carter opened the back door and helped McLaren inside. And within a few seconds, the car leaped away in a spurt of gravel. A spurt of gravel. SPURT, a spurt of gravel. GRAVEL. Okay, it means बहुत तेजी से. Okay, students. It means Carter opened the door in order to enter McLaren inside the car. He supported McLaren to inside the car, and then the car has been forwarded fastly. इस पर ऑफ ट्रैवल बहुत तेजी से सख्त से कार क्या हुई निकल गई. ओके, देन Elsfield way McLaren had said. McLaren बताया था in the above line. Okay, McLaren ने बताया था कि हमको कहाँ फॉलो करना है, Elsfield way, and there it was staring up at the governor from the last few lines of the German text. It means there the governor was also trying to translate and speak from Elsfield way drive to Haddington. It has been informed there, mentioned there, they have to follow from Elsfield way drive to the Haddington roundabout, where, yes, of course, the examination board was in Elsfield way. There was examination board on the Elsfield way, and someone from the board must have been involved in the escape plan from the very beginning. It means from the very initiative point, definitely someone had been involved in the plan of escaping of Evans. Second thing, the question paper itself, the correction slip, it means all these things have been involved in the escaping plan of Evans. The governor turned to Jackson and Stephens. Then governor of the prison moved firstly towards the Jackson and Stephens. Jackson and Stephens were prison officers. I don't need to tell you what has happened, do I? It means there is no need to explain about the incident. एक्सप्लेन करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, इस घटना के बारे में आपको कुछ बताने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। डू आई बताने की आवश्यकता नहीं है ना, इस तरीके से उसने पूछा। किसने पूछा? गवर्नर ने जैक्सन और स्टीफन से। सेकेंड थिंग, हिज वॉइस साउंडेड ऑलमोस्ट कॉम इन इट्स scathing content. Scathing means very critical. SCATHING. SCATHING. Very critical. Very puzzled. It means his voice content. It means his voice was full of critical, unclear. And which one of you two morons was it who took Evans for a nice little walk to the main gates and waved him bye-bye? It means which one of you means Stephens and Jackson were involved to escape Evans from the D-wing as well as his cell. And morons word has been used here, MORONS. Two morons. Morons means you can say stupid. Okay, students? It was me, sir. Stammered. Okay, stammered. 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 Stammered means spoke in hesitation. घबरा करके जल्दीबाजी में उसने बोला। Actually, little meaning of stammered is तुतला करके बोला. But here we all can consider that Stephen replied in a hesitation. Okay? Just like you told me, sir, I could have sworn. It means मैं कसम खा के कह सकता हूँ. You have been instructed me to leave, to drop McLeary up to the gate of prison. What? Just like I told you, you say. What the hell? What are you speaking here? What are you telling here? Did I instruct you? Did I call you? Did I ring you to drop someone up to the prison gate? मैंने तुम्हें फोन करके कहा था, मैंने तुम्हें रिंग किया था, मैंने तुम्हें इंस्ट्रक्ट किया था कि तुम गेट पर जाकर किसी को ड्रॉप करो। I did not call to anyone. मैंने किसी को कॉल फोन नहीं किया था। इवन इंस्ट्रक्शन, मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शन तक भी किसी को इस तरीके से नहीं दिया था, गवर्नर ने बोला। Then, in defense of himself, Jackson replied. Okay, Stephens replied, when you rang, sir, and told me to. It means आपने मुझे रिंग किया था, आपने मुझे कॉल किया था. When was that? The governor's voice was replaced. No. It means when did I call you? When did I instruct you? When did I telephone you? And while he was speaking, his voice was full of whiplash. Whiplash means strongly, powerfully, dominantly, in the way of controlling, disciplinary. इस तरीके से उनकी आवाज आ रही थी. You know, sir, about 11 just before. It means, sir, try to recall. You called me, you phoned me, as well as rang me just before 11:20. You blithering idiot. Blithering means completely idiot, completely nonsense. गवर्नर ने बोला, you are completely nonsense, absolutely blank. Man, it wasn't me who rang you. It means the call has not been made by me. Don't you realize? But what was the use? He had used the telephone at that time but only tried to unsuccessfully once more to get through to the examination board. It was not me, although I tried to call, but I did not get success to phone or call as well as ring. He shook his head in growing despair and turned on the senior prison officer. That means a governor turned towards the senior officer. Senior officer is Jackson. As for you, Jackson, how long have you been pretending you have got a brain plague? It means how many times would you like to make a pose, make a position that you have a complete brain? आप कितनी बार इस तरीके की बहानेबाजी करोगे? तुम्हारे पास विवेक है, तुम्हारे पास सेंस है, बुद्धि है, दिमाग है, इस तरीके की बहानेबाजी तुम कितनी बार करोगे? सेकंड थिंग, I will tell you something, Jackson. Your skull is empty. It means you are absolutely blank, absolutely empty. It was Jackson. And further he added that it was Jackson who had spent 2 hours in Evan's cell the previous evening, and it was Jackson who had confidently reported that there was nothing hidden away there, nothing at all. It means many times report has been submitted by you means Jackson, that there is not any unnecessary thing in the room of, in the cell of Evans. Then how this happened? Then how someone hit McLeary? Your report was not good as well as right. तुम्हारी रिपोर्ट अच्छी नहीं थी, सही नहीं थी. Okay? And yet Evans had somehow managed to conceal not only a false beard. Even Evans has also arranged ready-made beard, artificial beard, a pair of spectacles, a dog collar, and all the rest of his clerical paraphernalia, but also some sort of weapon with which he had given McLeary such a terrible blow across the head. It means, if you notice there, if you examine there, that there is nothing unnecessary in the room of Evan, then how Evans arranged artificial beard, ready-made beard, as well as clerical collar, weapons, as well as all the other different things, different belongings, equipments, how it was possible there. Paraphernalia, it means different things. A prisoner man backed alongside, but the governor made no immediate move. A prison van cab arrived, but governor was still there. He looked down again at the last line of the journal. He noticed towards the last statement of which one is written in the journal, to the Headington roundabout, where you could stay over and make your way to Newgrange, where on earth. It means it was very critical. It was unbelievable place. It was not on the earth. Knew something, Newgrange. It may be something new. Never heard of it. There was a war grave somewhere near Reading, but no, it was probably a code word, and then it hit him. It had been realized that it was a code word, so that McLeary had been hit there, hurt there. Newbury, God, yes, Newbury was a pretty big sort of place. But okay, students, it was the explanation as well as concept of all these paragraphs. I hope all of you understood very well and enjoyed today's class. Thank you for attending the session. Stay motivated. Have a nice day.